Hey everybody, it's Big Mike. I want to talk today about success. I used to say when I watched other people that talked about things that were happening in their lives or whatever, hey, it must be easier to talk about that when you're successful. And of course, everybody's version of successful, what that is, has a different meaning, or they have a different scale for what they're trying to achieve. And I think that's great. And I've had that thrown at me recently, so I wanted to talk about it. Look, I've been very fortunate, but it hasn't always been that way. What I've done is persevered and worked every day. Success to me was one step at a time, trying to get somewhere. And of course, inevitably, everybody needs a little bit of luck in order to make certain things go their way. But you can't take it for granted either. Success is just like everything else. You've got to maintain it, right? You've got to keep working at it because things decay, things don't always work, things change. Look, guys, everybody can get there. It's the American dream. If there's something I can do to help you, please tag me. Let me know. I'd love to help. Otherwise, take one step today. Let's go be successful. Have an awesome day. I'll see you out there.